My grandfather started Tramco Pump with his best friend back in 1924 when they were trying to solve problems for people who couldn't find a solution anywhere else. So we built our sump pump and sold it to the Chicago market. Most of those sales were the Midwest, the floodings in Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Wisconsin, on the Great Lakes. So that's how the company started. Two friends working on the site as a job, turned into a career and turned into a third generation company. We put a mechanical seal in there, which holds oil in and holds the product out. What's the significance of that is the product is what usually ruins the bearing. If you're pumping water that's got dirt and grit and grime in it, that ruins the lower bearing and shortens the life of the pump. So we put a seal in there, we put oil in the bearing and separates the water from the pump. And the other thing we did was we put a Schedule 80 galvanized pipe, much more corrosion resistance. Our competition's pipe was using steel pipe and it was rotting out in 5 to 10 years. It's an industrial design that we sell to steel mills, automotive plants, and we just downsized it to fit into a residential sump pump pit. We just want to be American. We buy only American-made pipe. We specify that. We've had stainless steel pipe come in and said made in Russia or made in Korea, whatever, we reject it. It's got to say made in USA right on it. See, we don't have to outsource that. It doesn't cost that much more to keep it local. All the foundries we use are usually in Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan. We don't go very far. I have people come in and say, hey, we can sell you stuff from China and a third the price. I says, I'm not interested. I'm not interested in that. It's not that much of a increase in the price of the casting. We rely on quality contractors. We actually turn a lot of contractors away. Some of our higher end stuff, like our lift stations, it's not easy to put in. What I love about the Scottish Plumber is the fact that they allow me to come and do training with your staff. That's really important. But Jack and his companies were putting a 10-year warranty on our pump and we were giving a 1-year warranty. And he said to me, if I can do it, why can't you? And I says, you're absolutely correct. If you can give me if you have that much faith in my product that you can put a 10-year warranty on it, I should be able to put a 10-year warranty on it.